Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we're going to continue in our method book with line 49, shoe fly. So we're going to go from the beginning, look for patterns, and see what all we have. As always, we start with our treble clef, followed by our time signature. The time signature in this piece is 2/4 time. So the top number tells us how many beats are in each measure. The bottom number gives us the value of the whole note, even when we don't have a whole note. So let's break that down. If we had a whole note, it would get 4 beats. Half of a whole is a half, and half of 4 is 2, so the half notes get 2 beats. Then half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1, and the quarter notes and the quarter rest get 1 beat each. Now, we do have some notes that are tied across a bar line because you can't fit 3 beats into a measure of 2/4 time. So when you have a tie, like you do here, here, and here, they look like smiley faces, I know. When you have a tie, you are going to perform the first note of the tie and then hold through the rest of the tie. So you don't re-articulate the next note. So we're going to go over that as we go through the music. All right, so we are starting on an E, first and second valve, going down to a C, and we're holding onto that for 2 counts. Then we're coming up our scale, D, E, F, drop down to a half note D, and kick out that third valve slide. If you notice, the first 4 measures of the first line are exactly the same in the second line. So we have E, C, D, E, F, D. Excuse me. That happens twice. Starting at measure 5, it's the same exact pattern. We just take it down a step. So then we have our D down to B, come up our scale, C, D, E, drop to the half note C. D, B, C, D, E, C. That does not repeat on the second line. Instead, we have 3 Gs, and we just come down our scale. G, 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 F, E, D, C. And it's a quarter note, quarter rest combination in the last measure. All right. So notice when I came across the tied notes, I have 2 quarter notes tied together. They get 1 beat each, so I treat it like a half note. But we can't have a half note across the bar line, just doesn't work. So that's how we deal with that. I'm going to play with my metronome going at 100 beats per minute. I hope you can play along with me, and make sure you start each note with a t sound so you get a nice clean attack. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. And that is how you play line 49, shoe fly. I hope you're able to keep up with that tempo. If you can't, that's fine. You just slow it down and take it at a pace that you are comfortable with, and then speed it up as you improve. So I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.